Today I'm gonna show you how to make this. To make your videos go viral with After Effects. Follow my steps and make sure to watch till the end. Want to make your video sound more cinematic? Today I'll show you how to create an echo sound effect using this Iron Man clip. Let's get started. So first, have your clip ready, then go to your effects and presets and type in Reverb. Drag it into your clip and follow my settings. So first, reverb time is 75, fusion is 70, decay is 25, brightness 70, dry out 140 and wet out 25. So now let's hear how it sounds. See, much better. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you'd like to see next. See you in the next one. Bye.